everyone. We're here again in the pronunciation English language, pronunciation lessons, learn English with Judy. And of course, our topic for today is about English grammar for beginners. Yes, but first and foremost, of course, if you are still not our subscriber, don't ever forget to hit the bell button first to subscribe, and also you can do follow us in our Facebook page, pronunciation English language. Anyways, to continue, of course, our topic for today is about English grammar for beginners. Yes, actually, English grammar for beginners starts with three core building blocks actually. Word order, subject plus verb plus object, and of course, parts of speech, nouns, verbs, and adjectives. And of course, basic tenses, present, past, and a future. Mastering these foundational rules allows you to build simple, clear sentences and communicate effectively. Yes, so we have here the number one, of course, sentence structure, word order. Yes, unlike many other languages, English has a very strict word order. Yes, basic sentences follow a simple pattern. Subject plus verb plus object. And of course, the subject, who or what is doing the action. For example, she, John, the dog. The verb, the action or state of being. Example, runs, eats, is. And of course, the object, who or what is receiving the action. For example, the ball, a sandwich. So I will give an example for this. She plays the piano. So the subject is, of course, she plus verb. The plays, of course, plays is the verb plus object is the piano. So do you understand? I hope you got it right. Anyways, we'll go now into number two, of course, the golden rule. Yes, parts of speech. Yes, to make sentences, you need to know what kinds of words you are using. So there is a nouns, of course, words for people, places, things, or ideas. For example, dog, city, apple, happiness. The pronouns, of course, words that replace nouns to avoid repeating them. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. The verbs, action words or state of being, of course. For example, run, jumped, is, are, have. About the adjectives, of course, words that describes or modify nouns. Example, big, blue, happy. So we'll go now in our number three. Yes, the articles, of course, articles. A, on, the, or the. Articles are tiny words that define a noun. Use a or an for a singular, not a specific items. Use and before that start with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. And of course, A before words starting with a consonant around. For example, a dog, an apple. So use the when talking about something specific that both you and the listener know about. Example, the dog is barking at the mailman. So, we'll go now in our number 4, of course, basic tenses, verbs. English tenses change the verb to show when an action happens. For beginners, of course, start with the simple tenses. Present simple. Use for facts, habits, or routines. Example, I drink coffee every morning. Past simple. Use for actions that have already finished. So for example, she walked to the store yesterday. About the future simple. Use for actions that will happen later. Example, we will travel to London next year. So do you understand? So we'll go now in our number 5, of course. So we'll go now in our number 5, of course. Last but definitely not the least, of course, be verbs. Yes, is, am, are. The verb to be is the most important verb in English. Yes, you use it to describe things or state who you are. Am, use only with I. Example, I am a student. Is, use with singular subjects. He, she, it. For example, he is happy. Are, use with a plural subjects. We, you, they, and a plural nouns. Just for example, they are playing. So, that's all for now. Anyways, if you have any question, don't ever hesitate to inbox us in our Facebook page, Pronunciation English Language. And of course, you can put a comment there in the comment section box. And we will try to be as responsive as we can. Anyways, that's all for now. Again, if you're still not our subscriber, don't ever forget to hit the bell button first to subscribe. And also, don't ever forget to follow us in our Facebook page. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share and hit the like for this video. Thank you so much. God bless and keep safe. Until the next time. Bye-bye.